Kumbashis nam dunai hadian baga company GVK EMRI kala syap penduk no nak benta ban pynïaid yaki kali kit nong pang 108 bat kabala simti no dak tanat National Health Mission nak benta ban pynïaid yaki tegi kali kit nong pang kinong try ka 108 ki badan hapo ka syatri Meghalaya Emergency Management and Research Institute Workers Union haduk menta kidang kenduk shibun ki kenrum kenram. Halor kene habai keren bak Dr. Ampareen lingdo kalai thu bana kalyang joga National Health Mission kam doni ki brig ba syampang ki bala ban pynïaid yaki teki kali bat kumbalong menta na kalyang joga tanat kokot kakhia kadang pen kre ban khot tender na ka banta ki company ki bala ban pynïaid yaki teka kam.
Quick review of how and what is the best way forward in operationalizing the 108 services that have so far for the last under 1 year being taken over by the NHM. The NHM is not a professional organization that is equipped or that has the expertise to run the 108 services in the state of Meghalaya. I have met with the 108 workers. They have submitted a memorandum to my office. We want to ensure firstly that we consider and safeguard all workers in the 108 services at the moment. We must protect their services and we must give them maximum coverage, maximum benefit when this new, whenever the new company takes over. When will this new company take over? Right now we are preparing the tendering procedures. They will take time. We do not want to rush into the tendering procedure as yet because we feel that there is already a 108 service working in the state of Meghalaya. There are already workers engaged in this program. We must take them along with us and we must ensure that whatever we do is done in the best interest of these workers. Once we've understood that, then we will call for the tender. The tender is currently being prepared. The expression of interest is now being currently prepared and will likely be floated at an earliest time possible. We are concerned that we are crippled in our 108 services. We would like to see that we engage with the most eligible party that will be able to bring along with it a fleet of 108 services functioning efficiently across the state of Meghalaya. As of today, the 108 has truly been wheels of hope and wheel of life. We want to ensure that that continues and we want to ensure that to the furthest extent possible, extra ambulances will be made available for services to all the sick across the state of Meghalaya. I have full faith that we will be able to come to a certain agreement so that we can make sure that these services are run most efficiently in the interest of the public of the state of Meghalaya.
Dr. Dipankar Das, DM Cardiology, MD Medicine, naka Swagat Hospital, Guwahati, undon hanong ba Shillong, haka arba South Rik ujiliw, arhajar arpulay, na duwa kapor katway baje Minstep, Woodland Hospital. Undon ru hakasi sajan kabasaw man lau benai. Kino ki badan jing pang klong snam, kila banwan ni selok yu. Call how number, kandai not, pra kandai, not kandai, nyo kandai, not nyo.